everyone! Have you ever struggled with a math problem and wish someone could explain it step by step? In this video, I'll introduce you to MATH GPT, a smart tool that doesn't just give answers but helps you understand the process behind solving mathematical problems. Whether it's algebra, geometry, or sequences, MATH GPT can act like your personal assistant. Let's explore how it works. First, open your web browser or the MATH GPT app. Once the page loads, you will see a text box where you can type your math question. GPT simply type your math problem clearly. For example, find the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence 3, 7, 11, 15. Then, click the send or enter button. So, MATH GPT will now generate a solution. Notice that it doesn't just give the final answer. It explains the steps, formulas, and reasoning behind the solution. This is a very powerful or helpful for learning and checking your work. If something isn't clear, you can ask follow-up questions. For example, why did you use that formula? Can you show another example? So, MATH GPT works like a tutor. You can keep the conversation going. For best results, remember these tips. Write complete questions, include given values, specify what you are solving for, and ask for step-by-step explanations if needed. For example, instead of writing solve this, write solve 2x plus 5 minus 7, solve 2x plus 5 equals 17 step by step.
You can also use your camera and scan the question, so it will provide you the answer instantly.
You can also ask the MATH GPT to generate a video, so let's watch this.
Welcome to this Math GPT lesson on ratio and proportion, where we learn to split amounts according to given ratios. A ratio simply compares two or more quantities. If I say that the ratio of boys to girls is 4:7, that means for every 4 parts of boys, there are 7 matching parts of girls. This ratio keeps the same regardless of the actual number of students, as long as the parts are in proportion. Now, let's solve a concrete problem. The ratio of boys to girls is 4:7, and there are 33 students in total. We want to find how many boys and how many girls are in the class. First step, find the total number of parts by adding the ratio numbers. For plus 7 equals 11 parts in total. Next, determine how many students each part represents. Divide the 33 students by the 11 parts to get 3 students per part. Now multiply the boys' portion of the ratio, which is 4 parts by 3. For times 3 equals 12, so there are 12 boys. Then do the same for the girls. 7 parts times 3 equals 21, so there are 21 girls. Always check your work by adding the parts back together. 12 boys plus 21 girls equals 33 students, which matches the total. Summary: a ratio tells us how to split an amount into parts. Find the total parts, divide the total quantity by those parts to find the value per part, then scale each ratio number by that value. This gives us 12 boys and 21 girls out of 33 students, keeping the ratio 4:7.
You can use MATH GPT for many math topics such as solving equations, arithmetic sequences, geometry problems, word problems, checking solutions. Just make sure your question is specific and clearly written. And that's how you use MATH GPT. It's a great tool for learning, practicing, and verifying your math solutions. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to review the steps and try your own problems. Thanks for watching and happy learning!